Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so I've got some exciting news to share with you guys. Tammy Anderson and I have discussed where we are going to do our next Fluid Art Creative Escape workshop. But I'm not going to tell you just yet. I'm going to make you guys squirm just a little bit. And I'm going to tell you guys some other things first, show you guys some other things, and then I'm going to tell you where we're going. All right, so really quick, I wanted to remind you guys, I still have calendars available for purchase, 2023 calendar year. If anyone is interested, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. I will show you another month. I don't think I've showed you this month, but I will show you another sneak peek of another month. So here we have August. All right, so just think of it this way. Once the calendar year is over, you can actually frame or just cut these out and frame them and hang them up on your wall. So you get 12 prints with this calendar when it's over. So if you are interested in a calendar, email me. My August 27th acrylic pouring workshop here in my home studio is now sold out. If you are interested in attending a workshop here in London, Ontario, not London, England, London, Ontario, here in my home studio, I will be doing another one in September. So if you'd like to snag a spot or be put on the waiting list, please email me. All right, I haven't picked a date yet, but it's going to be in September. So just email me if you are interested. I wanted to mention super quick, you guys all know I have my discount codes under the description, in the description below every single video. There's all kinds of discounts from Krystal Resin, Lolivefe, Arteza, glitter. There's so many discounts down below. And then there's also the washi tape. There's a lot. So check the description below. But then there's also the Let's Resin discount codes. And now, as I mentioned in my last video, I have new discount codes that will you can use on Amazon. So this is the only company that you can use your discount code on Amazon. So there's the Amazon US and the Amazon Canada website, but you gotta check the description below because there's different codes. So like for Amazon Canada, the code is Kanella 16, but for Amazon US, the code is different, but there's two codes for Amazon US. One is if you're buying silicone molds and resins, and then the other one, or something like that. And then the other code is for like your pigments, your powders, stuff like that. So please check the description carefully and use the appropriate code on Amazon to save yourself some money. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that super quick. I will show you the half dried result from the last video. It's not dry yet because I did the video, or I did the painting so last minute, and typically it's one more day before I actually show it to you guys, but it's just not dry yet. But I will show you what it looks like, but I will show it to you next video when it's fully dry. But I know a lot of you guys are dying to see what it looks like, so I will show you what it looks like so far. Look, so the center you can see is pretty shiny still, so that's the wet, but you can see it's dry all around the corners. So there's the green, and then the purple down here is dry, and then look at the red down here is dry as well, and then the blue up here. So once the center dries, you see this, like it looks like a light pinky, it's gonna dry like dark red like this, but it still needs to dry. Same with the blue in the center. And you can see the yellow, only the edge here is dry. The rest is still wet. But look how pretty it is. I'm really happy with this. I'll show you guys the dried results in the next video. But I know a lot of you wanted to see that. You guys were dying to see that. And it is available for purchase. It's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And if you are interested in purchasing that piece, please email me. In the last video, I showed you guys a bunch of pieces that were available for purchase that are on clearance/sale price. Half of them are gone, but there's still, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 or 8 pieces left. So if you are interested in any of those pieces with a significant discount, check out my last video. You'll see the little video with everything that's available, and email me if you're interested. All right. I won't keep you guys in suspense anymore. So Tammy and I had such a blast in Naples, Florida. So obviously we're going to do it again, and we are going to be doing it over and over again as long as we can. So we have decided, after viewing all the comments and taking a poll and seeing where everyone commented on where they wanted Tammy and I to go next, we have decided to travel to, should I make you wait? We have decided to travel to Charlotte, North Carolina. All right. So we will be coming to North Carolina. Now the question is, when are we coming? We will be coming to North Carolina February of 2023. All right. So we would have loved to do it this fall, but my schedule won't allow for it. I've got other things planned, and Tammy couldn't do it in the fall either. So we will be doing it in February of 2023. That is all the details we have for you for now. We will let you know in a couple of weeks or a month or so. Like August is busy for me. I'll be off to Florida for a family vacation soon. So once Tammy and I get all the details set up and ready, then we will let you guys know the exact dates, where, and all of that, like what venue and all of that. But for now, just so you know, so you have it, mark it in your calendar. It's going to be Charlotte, North Carolina in February of 2023, and we are looking at mid-February, okay? So there you have it. I hope we've made most of you happy. I know the US is so big, but don't fret, because after that one, we will plan another one in a different state. Okay, so don't worry. We will try and go to as many places as we can, as long as our health and our families allow it. So I hope that brings a smile to a lot of your faces. So that is all I have to say for now. Today's painting is actually going to be a commissioned painting for a client of mine. She really wanted me to do a smoky color split. If you recall, I had done a smoky teal color split. It was from video number 456. So she loved it, and she wanted me to do the exact same painting with the exact same colors in the exact same order. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. And don't worry, I will come back to my gold and silver color series, all right? But I got to do this commission. So I'm going to get myself set up, and we're going to get started. All right, everybody. So I'm going to get started. What I have here is a 12 by 36 inch canvas. It's been a while since I've done a canvas this size. And I just remembered I need to plug in my hairdryer too. So I shall do that as well. All right, so 12 by 36 inch canvas. My base color for my splits will be my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White 2019 version. All right, and if you don't have a 2019 bottle where it still says Flow Acrylic, I personally would not use the soft body bottle. Just use Titanium White by Amsterdam, or Titanium White by Artist Loft, not the Flow Acrylic though. This one's just white, it's not Titanium White, so there's a difference between the bottles, all right? So that is my white base, and my colored base is going to be Amsterdam's Turquoise Green, and I've added a few drops of Oxide Black to it to give it that darker smoky look. So that is what I have added, all right? And if you want to know how I mix my paints with water and Floetrol for all my colors, you can check out my video number 434. I will link it up here at the top for those of you who are interested, that are new watching. All right, and the colors I'm going to be using today are Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Then I have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt, followed by Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. Then I've got Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. And topping it off, I've got Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. So those are the colors I am using. I shall put them aside. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas is flooded. Let's start with adding the colors. All right, so starting off with the Iridescent Blue-Green, I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story. We took the kids yesterday to a trampoline park, you know, an indoor trampoline place. And they had, you know, trampolines and this and that, and they had rock climbing. So my kids are doing the rock climbing and Sophia's too scared to go more than halfway up. Lucas goes to the top, but there's different levels of, you know, easy to hard. So me being the athletic person that I am from back in my day, I was itching. I really wanted to try it. I wanted to see if I could do it. Not obviously the hardest level, but I wanted to at least see if I could at least get to the top in my, you know, age of almost 43 years old. I wanted to see if I could do it. So I wasn't really technically allowed to because I didn't have the proper attire on or anything like that. Or anyway, I didn't care. It wasn't busy. There wasn't any of the employees around. So here I jump into the pit and then I start my climbing and I made it to the top and I hit that button and then it says yeehaw when you hit the button. So I felt really proud of myself because, you know, I used to be super active when I was younger, you know, sports, this, that, whatever. And, you know, then mommy life gets in the way and all that stuff, right? So, but I was super, super excited. And I'm like, I did it. I actually made it to the top. It was a lot of fun. Scary being that high. But it was still a lot of fun. So yeah, I thought I'd share that. I thought it was hilarious. So yeah, I still got it. I can still do a few things. I can't do a lot of things, but I can still do a few things. All right, colors are down. I'm going to start here, and I made sure to add extra paint over here this time, so hopefully that helped. We shall find out in a second. All right, let's get started. All right, so it blew out way better down here this time than in my last video. Ooh, look at the cells that are happening here. I'm loving it. I'm gonna fix a few spots though. Definitely need to fix a few spots. Let's see. I'm gonna try and blow some more color down in here without anything falling into the painting. Ooh, I love the dark blue that came about there. Oh, that looks so much better. Let me see. I want to try and bring some color. Actually, if I torch this white petal, let me get my smaller torch. I should get some color popping up in that white part there. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay, so now I only do that if it's white and I can see the dark color underneath. I wouldn't do it anywhere else, just if there's white paint. Let's see, anything else I want to fidget with? That's better. Oh, I love these colors. The cells are insane. All right, I think that is it. I'm not going to touch anything else aside from fixing my edges. So I shall do that and I will be right back. All right, everybody. So before I show you guys the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and scrape those drips. All right, super important. Do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a 3rd time, and you should be good to go. All right, let's check out this close-up. Now go back and check out my other video and check out the differences or the similarities. Do you think they look the same? Now, we all know we cannot duplicate or replicate a fluid art, acrylic pour, whatever you want to call it. It's impossible to duplicate it. Can we get it looking similar? Perhaps. Look at the cells in there. It's crazy. So check out my last video, video, what did I say, 456 or something like that, and check out the differences and let me know what you guys think. All right, let's turn the lights off. All right, so the flash is on, and we know, there it is, there's gonna be a lot of shimmer in this. Definitely a lot of shimmer. We've got the Pebeo, 2 Pebeos, the 24 karat gold, so definitely a lot of shimmer happening in this painting. So when this dries, it shall get a top coat of Krystal Resin and it'll be ready to go off to its new home for my client. Look at that. Love it. This is my favorite part, this section here. I love it as my camera changes colors. Alrighty. And there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I will get back to my silver and gold series in the next video, hopefully. I just really needed to get this commission done for my client before I leave for Florida in 2 weeks. I've got so much to do, and I've got 2 weeks to do it in because I got to do a bunch of videos for you guys so that you guys have something to watch while I'm vacationing and sitting on the beach. If you are interested in any of my leftover pieces of art that I've got available, please check out my last video. You'll see what's available, and shoot me an email, kanellaciraco@gmail.com, if you are interested in any pieces that are up for sale. And I think that's it. Let me know what you guys think about me and Tammy visiting Charlotte, North Carolina. We're super excited. Planning has begun. So as I mentioned, we will give out more details in the upcoming weeks, but we wanted to let you guys know so you guys know where we're going next and, you know, start planning, start saving, do whatever it is you need to do. But that is where we are going, and we will be there in mid-February of 2023. So that is it for me for now, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.